What's up, guys? Andrew with Agency Turnkey doing another video for you. This is going to be another cool one that we're working in. This is going to be a class action lawsuit. So they're looking for people that have worked at a lot of these different companies. And I thought it was pretty cool. I've never done something like this. I've always wanted to. I've always seen ads for like people that, military that had to wear like certain earplugs and they got hearing damage or like water contamination from like different military bases, or like data breach. I've always wanted to do stuff like that because I've never done it before. So this was a pretty cool campaign. What's funny is the creative is very ugly. I made it on Canva really quickly, and it's converting. I mean, I'm pretty sure that if I took some more time, probably would do better, I guess, or make it like nicer. But it doesn't look like an ad. That's the thing. Like it's an ugly picture, and it's working. So class action. We're looking at 25 leads, $17, 57 cents, $152 daily. I think we have about $5,000 to use for this one a month, so I can turn this up, an extra $10, and we'll be there. But pretty happy so far. I mean, I can tune it up a little bit, but I mean, anything in this type of industry, I'm assuming we're going to get some pretty good leads here because there's only specific employers that we're looking, people that were employed by these companies, and not a lot of them are on Facebook targeting. So we have to do a little bit more deep dive into like those type of, attributes or behaviors or interests to reach those people. So I'm pretty happy with this. I think it's a good CPL. I think anything under $50 for legal is awesome. So pretty cool about this one. I wanted to share it with you guys. If you guys have any questions, you guys are looking for a white label agency, you guys are looking for someone to coach or train your media buyer, we're getting into that. So if you have questions or want us to do so, let us know. We'll talk about all the details there. And guys, reach out if you have questions. I'm an open book as long as it's doesn't require too much information up front. Until the next video, guys, take care, enjoy the week, and I'll see you guys next time.